My God, this thing's a pain in the ass.
Engine oil right here. There's actually a label.
Today, I'm going to teach you how to do engine flush and an oil change on your Honda S2000. Alright, so we're going to be starting with our Liqui Moly. We're going to need to get we got one of these bad boys right here. And we're just going to put with Liqui Moly. Oh, jeez. We're going to take this off. See if we can do this. And I got our big bottle. Okay. Let's get this out. This is, take this, we're gonna take this out. My God, this thing's a pain in the ass. Guess they made it good child proof. There we go. We got our stuff. And we're just gonna pop it. And let's give it a pour. Now we're gonna run the engine for 10 to 15 minutes, idling. And so let's get that timer set up. And that's it.
A few moments later.
Now I'm just gonna remove the cap to get a little bit air so the oil goes down, and we're gonna start draining the oil. We're gonna use a 17 mil to break it and gently remove it. So let's go underneath.
All right, next step is we're gonna get loose. It's a 17 bolt here. And once we get it loose, and I should have raised the jack here a little bit trickier, but let me break it. Oh shit! There we go. I always hand tied it. I never. I got the oil. This is gonna be fun, and let's get it done. The good thing is right here it says engine oil right here. There's actually a label. And ooh. So we got a new crash washer. We're gonna put that on. Don't forget, these are so cheap that, and we're just gonna let that go. Drain for a little bit.
All right, next you can see the oil there, and we're gonna get into getting that loose. So let's get ready for that. I got my trusty little thing. Oh, wrong direction. Normally you should be able to just stick your hand in here. This thing is always a pain in the butt to remove. Oh, Jesus, I don't remember how putting it that tight. Oh.
A few moments later.
A little bit loose. What a pain in the ass this thing is. Oh. Ooh, hot too. Now we got it. If you can see it, down there, it's coming down, and we're just gonna let it go for a while till it stops. There we go. Get that hand, evil hand in there.
So the most important part of this will be making sure the ring stayed on. It's still dripping, and we're gonna put our new plug. Oh, it's not new, but yeah. Let's get all that tight. Perfect and tight. No. And this is takes 27 pounds of torque. I think, or 29. This takes 29. I just do it by hand till I get that crash washer. That's it. That's it. And let's get the filter on. We're gonna get it out. I put a little bit of, I gotta get some new oil. Get that new seal all nice oiled up. And let's get this installed. Go in inside here and get our hand squeezed, and get it back in there. This is 16 pounds of torque if you do want to torque it, or I just tighten it and tighten it. I never had an oil leak. So new one, you could see it's in there, including the old one. Nice and bright. Now we're gonna install, and now time for the oil. The really new thing is about the Motul, you can see it has this little drain. You can actually flip it if you're really good. I am not the best, so we're just gonna pour it into our liquid here. Okay. Usually add just a little bit, half. And then we're gonna just check. A bit more. And that's it. You can see right here, we want to be right at the top, right there where it says high. And we're looking good. Time, right at the high.